everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Language with Nisa. Today we are going to do a little bit conversations with Ima and of course with caretaker, and this is the video which is going to be very important for all the people who are working in Israel and working as a caregiver, especially for the people who live in who are from India and Nepal, of course. And this video is for you all, so let's start. First of all, it's me Nisha and I'm talking with my employer. Nisha, it's me, I'm telling now. Good evening, grandmother. Erev Tov Safta. Erev Tov Safta. First I will say in English and then later on Hebrew. I'm saying now, it's me Nisha. Again, I give a Erev Tov Safta. Now my employer or Safta will reply now. I am watching TV. Ani roa televizia. Ani roa televizia. Ani roa televizia. It's me Nisha. I'm going to reply it now or ask. Do you want to have dinner now? Do you want to have dinner now? In Hebrew is I say like את רוצה ארוחת ערב עכשיו? את רוצה ארוחת ערב עכשיו? My employer, Safta will reply, okay, בסדר, בסדר, בסדר. Grandmother, now I'm going to ask, grandmother, do you want to sleep later? Safta, את רוצה לישון אחר כך? עוד מעט, we can say. Safta, את רוצה עוד מעט לישון? את רוצה עוד מעט לישון? Now my employer, Safta, will reply, yes, but I need to wear my night dress. Yes, but I need to wear first my night dress. Can, אבל, עכשיו, צריך להתלבש את הבגדים לילה שלי. צריך להתלבש את הבגדים לילה שלי. Or you can say, kotoni, okay? Kotoni Laila. You can say Kotoni Laila. Give me my dry dress, please. My employer, Safta, will ask with me now. Give me my night dress, please. תתני לי את הכותנית לילה שלי בבקשה. תתני לי את הכותנית לילה שלי בבקשה. Okay, here is your night dress. Now I am giving her. Okay, here is your night dress. בסדר, הנה את הכותנת לילה שלך. הנה את הכותנת לילה שלך. Thank you. תודה. Now my employer is saying this. Thank you. In Hebrew we say it, תודה. I am going to say her. You are welcome. Good night, grandmother. In Hebrew we say it, בבקשה, לילה טוב סבתא. בבקשה, לילה טוב סבתא. Now my Safta or my employer will reply, good night, לילה טוב. Good night, לילה טוב. Now she is going to say again, תשני טוב means sleep well. תשני טוב. Okay, thank you so much everyone. This is a short clip for you to understand Hebrew. For more video, please contact me in my Instagram or in WhatsApp number. You can DM me also. My WhatsApp number is +97254 8364577. Thank you so much everyone. See you lakin Yom Tov. Balitra utlachem Shana Tova.